Check out the divisions. You got your classic rods, your imports, special construction, diesel trucks, rocket-powered cars. It's crazy.
Gun it! Oh, yeah! With no muffler, you even sound like Storm.
Hey, champ! Where to...
Wait, you're not Bobby.
Name's Danny, bro.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I'd better do it in style.
What's Mr. Sterling gonna say?
I'm actually more worried about what Tex is gonna say, considering he, bought Rusty's. Thanks, Tex!
Good luck in your last race. You sure been an inspiration to me.
Thanks, Junior. Appreciate it.
Hey, be careful out there, okay?
Yeah, man.
Up. Does the King, Strip Weathers, have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years. Can he win them one last Piston Cup?
Guido! Aha! Laugh it up! Real
fun. Well, I sure can respect that. Still, you know, if there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you.
Look at that boy go out there!
We do it at our pace, long as we get to
Lightning, how do you keep your focus racing against Bobby and Cal?
I mean, I think the key is we respect each other. These guys are real class acts.
Congratulations, Cupcake!
Oh, they are gonna pay.
Tried slamming him into the wall. But Hud never touched any wall unless he wanted to.